Get into the 2022 Honda HR-V. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Check out this HR-V. It's the small SUV that packs clever cargo solutions, agile handling, advanced safety technology, and impressive fuel efficiency, all wrapped up in fresh, bold style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, fog lamps, alarm, Bluetooth connection, stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, CVT transmission, daytime running lights. This Honda HR-V is the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and cleverness. Come in for a test drive experience and take a closer look.